Hello and welcome to another useful video. Today is a super exciting day because we have the world's largest face smartwatch in the studio, the Lemfo LEM T. Now what makes this smartwatch so special? Let's take a look and find out with our first unboxing video. As you can see, the box is kind of like a fake imitation leather. It says smartwatch on the front here. When you open it up, this is what you see. A massive 2.8-inch screen cell phone. Now, smartwatch rather. Now this is going to be the world's largest smartwatch face. And the reason I got this and it intrigued me is because this might actually be a legitimate cell phone replacement item. So the quick look, you can see that there's a camera on the side here, 2 buttons. It's got a very thick rubber strap and it's quite hefty. So on the back you can see that it says smartwatch. It's got a SIM card cover, heart rate monitor, charging pins. Looks to be a speaker port, a microphone port. And so really a pretty hefty watch, definitely more probably for a masculine clientele or someone that just wants a very massive smartwatch face. We'll get into the specs of the watch in a full review later on. So we also get the accessories inside here. Let's see what they give us. Quick look in here shows that there's a screwdriver for the SIM card cover. And then you have the charging port along with the USB cable for that. It's attached to the charging port there. And looks like that's all we've gotten in here so far. Let me put the screwdriver back in the box. All right. Other than that, it looks like that's all we got. Looks like up here you have the user manual. And it'll show you where everything is. The camera, the screen, the microphone, the speaker, the return button, the function button, heart rate scanner, charging pin, charging base, nano SIM card slot, the bands that it supports, the functions, the first boot, the watch faces, pretty much everything. And so the nice thing about this is that it's a pretty well-to-do manual there. Has a good amount of information. We also have another screen cover down there, which is great. And so there you have it. This is an exciting product. I'm really stoked to try to test this out and see how the watch actually performs in real life. And is this a real, true life smartphone replacement? Because this is supposed to have a massive battery, over 2,000 milliamp hours. So we'll see. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll be back very shortly with a full review of this great product, hopefully. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.